green like a leafy tree. The second is yellow, bright and sunny. The third is red like fire, so bold. Our happy train car can't be controlled. One train car, two train car, three. The engine says toot toot toot. What's inside the train cars? Tomato, pepper, a tasty snack. Cherries, apples, red and sweet, so bright and yummy, what a treat. In the yellow car we place banana, corn, and lemon space. In the green car, cucumber rides, and fuzzy kiwi joins the ride. Now let's draw a wiggly snake. With stripes of color we will make. Red, 1, orange, 2, yellow, 3, green, 4, pink, 5, light blue, 6, dark blue, 7, purple, 8, brown, 9, black, 10. Now let's draw a wiggly snake. With stripes of color we will make. Red, 1, orange, 2, yellow, 3, green, 4, pink, 5, light blue, 6, dark blue, 7, purple, 8, brown, 9, black, 10. 10 bright colors, hooray! The circles hold to play. Colorful and fun today. 3 red ones, don't forget. 2 yellow we just met. 4 green ones, oh so bright. 1 blue circle, what a sight. The train goes choo-choo-choo again. Colors and numbers fill your brain. If you want to learn and play, sing this song with friends today. Subscribe to us and stay near. More fun songs are waiting here. Colors, numbers, play and fun. Learning's magic for everyone.